GroupDocs.Editor App is a convenient and easy-to-use file editor that allows you to modify various files like Microsoft Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, text files, and many more. First of all, you need to upload a source file you want to edit into the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the file. After the download process is complete, your document will be open for editing. While editing Microsoft Word files with our online editor, you are allowed to change text font, adjust its size, background color, and alignment, etc. In other words, you can edit documents in a way you are used to when using offline document editors like Microsoft Word or OpenOffice. When you complete modifying your file, you can download it to your computer in original format or as a PDF file. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that GroupDocs.Editor supports. You can download the full product for more features using the link in the video description below. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.